In this video, I will show you how to create a new invite link on Discord. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To create a new invite link on Discord, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the server that you want to invite someone to. Now, in this example, I've got my own server that I've set up. So if you come to the left, you want to come to the server list. And once you found the server that you want to invite someone to, right click onto the server icon. And on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option which says invite people. So give that a click. What you can then do is invite friends to your server by simply inviting them from here, from your friends list, or you can even use the search box to search for your friends and directly invite them. Now, what you can also do is send a server invite link to a friend. So this is predominantly for people, maybe you don't have them as a friend yet on Discord, and all you would do is click onto the copy button next to the invite link. Just note that the invite links are only valid for 7 days, they do expire after 7 days, but there is a way to change this. If you come down underneath, you're going to see a blue edit invite link button, so give that a click. What you can then do is choose when the link will expire. As you can see, it's currently set to expire after 7 days, but we can go ahead, give this a click and change it to expire after, for example, 30 minutes, or maybe you just never want the link to expire, in which case you would select never. Then what you can do is select the maximum number of uses. So this is how many times the link can be clicked before it becomes inactive. Again, you've got different uses here, for example, 5 uses, 10 uses, or again, you've got the option to set no limit on this, which means that there will be no limit to the amount of times this invite link can be used. Another way to access this is, again, if you right click onto the server icon and instead of invite people, just come down to server settings and you should see an option on here for invites. Now, generally to do it this way, you do have to have the appropriate permissions. For example, you need to be an owner or an admin, but what you would do is come from here to the top. You can see the blue create invite link button, click onto that and we're going to get this window back where we can again directly invite friends or send an invite link which we can create and send out to our friends to invite them to your Discord server. So that's how to create a new invite link on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.